Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew on Twitter, and today I'm going to be doing an analysis on Atom, which is the cryptocurrency of Cosmos. And this is actually an Ethereum competitor with about a 238 million coin supply. So this one has been getting a lot of hype on Twitter recently. I've been hearing about it more and more, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty new. It looks like over here it came out in around April or late April, close to May. And this just may be the tether pair. I haven't done much research into the project itself, but I'm just going to be doing some technical analysis on it. So first I'm going to set up some supports and resistances. All right, so I set up these supports and resistances, and if we zoom in, we can see that price is right at a crucial resistance zone, very close to it. We tried to breach this zone a couple of times. We came close here, failed, came down to this support, broke above this resistance once again, couldn't get as high as over here, and we came back to here and held, and we tried it again, um, closed right on it, and then broke down underneath, and now we have tested it again. We wicked into it, but we haven't breached it. But this daily candle right here, this big green candle, that looks very strong to me, and that gives me a feeling that we're likely going to break through here. To me, that just looks very strong. If we get a close above here, it seems likely to me that we'll test the next resistance of at least $5.34. And once we get past that, we'll test about $7. And we'll possibly go higher. So I would say to this zone that would be about a 60% profit, and to here from where we are now, that would be about a 22% profit. So let's look at the 4 hour chart and see where we are exactly. So to me, this looks pretty strong. Um, I just want to see a break above here on the 4 hour chart before I confirm that we are going to head into a more bullish reversal out of this downward trend. And actually, in the long term, we haven't been that bearish, but from here to here, we have been very bearish. And from this bottom, we've risen about, let's see, about 147%, but we have had major corrections on the way up, which seems like a very healthy sign to me. And over here, we had a very bullish looking W pattern like that. Probably draw that nicer. To me, that looks pretty bullish. There's a very healthy correction over here, and then over here we had another very healthy correction as well. And then even over here, that's a healthy correction, which brought us back to where we started. And I wouldn't be surprised if we get much farther past. So I personally don't hold any Atom. I'm only doing this analysis because I see a lot of people are interested in it. But my thing is, if we see a break above here, that is what will lead us to higher movements to here. Oops. And then possibly a correction, which will lead us to here. And then once we get past here, that's unpredictable where we will go next. And I will only be doing analysis in my group chat once we get to that zone. So if you guys are interested in seeing further analysis on this chart, make sure to join the group chat in the link down below and sign up on the website to see analysis that will be only there as well. Now, in the case that we fail to breach this, I would say we test this zone over here. And I wouldn't expect us to go much lower. This seems to be a strong support. I find it very unlikely that we test here unless this support does not hold. If that support does not hold, we'll probably make a double bottom right over here like we've been seeing many coins make. And it could be argued that we've already had a double bottom over here, but this could possibly be a double bottom as well, as we have only wicked into this zone. But right now I see this as being the very unlikely scenario. It seems most likely that price becomes bullish and breaks out of here. For updates, make sure to join the group chat. It's completely free. And let me know what you guys think of this video. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and leave a thumbs up here. Take care, guys.